So hello everyone, here we are. So today is Sunday, and in our trap I see we have a beautiful HouseFinch female. Yep, she's a female. See, look, I'm not gonna hurt you. Don't worry, don't be afraid, don't be afraid. Come on here. So beautiful. Don't worry. Oh, you're so beautiful. Don't worry, don't be afraid. I know, I know. Let you free. Okay, you ready? Yep. She's a female. So beautiful. Yeah, and from what I see, he's a baby one. Seems like he's a young bird. And also I have seen her a couple times in the bird feeder camera, and this morning she got in here and we got her. Okay, you ready to go? You ready to go? Okay, so here's my daughter. Papa, you want to let her free? Yeah. Okay, here you are. Wait a moment. Take her, let those down, let those down.
She's gonna scratch me.
She's not gonna scratch you. She's a good. Here. That, like this. Take it with your hands. Let her free. One. Hold it like this. Both hands. 1, 2,
3.
Go. Cute. I'm sure she's gonna come again back. Okay. Have a wonderful day, every one of you. Thank you.